How to share your screen on Google Meet. This process is the same on any device. Today, we're on a desktop. First, make sure you're in a Google Meet call. Look at the bottom right of your screen. You'll see several options. Click on the Present Now icon. You'll see a few choices: a tab, a window, or your entire screen. If you choose your entire screen, it will share everything visible on your desktop. Select the option that best fits what you want to share. For most cases, a tab is ideal, since it shares just the content of one application. After selecting what to share, click Share. And that's it. Everyone in the meeting can now see your screen. To stop sharing, go to the top right of your Google Meet and click Stop Presenting. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.